High-quality product is more than what meets the eye. It's not just about the spotless appearance, but the meticulous work that lies behind. Functional garments like protective biker shorts might be a challenge to manufacturers. These products demand great balance between quality, functionality, and production efficiency. Customer specification must be translated into scalable, mass-producible design. The process starts with fundamental understanding of the tech pack and all other relevant information, enabling the manufacturer to conduct thorough research into the most optimal designs and materials. Next up, patterns are designed to serve as a blueprint for the garment's construction. Blueprint is done. Now we need to gather all materials. Prototype sample requires fabrics, chamois, silicone grippers, stretch waistbands, impact-absorbing pads, and threads. These are to be sought and delivered to sample makers by the manufacturer's suppliers. The first prototype is complete, but still have some imperfections. Stitching lines are not fully aligned, inadequate width at chamois panels, and elastic bands are not accurate. Still, the first proto captures the core of the design concept. With more feedback from clients, specifications and finishing details will be gradually refined. Now is the time for the second prototype sample. Competent manufacturers are expected to have their second sampling round not only cover previous issues, but also achieves details accuracy. These protective pants now have final details on fine protection pads, chamois, and gripper tape as waistband. The developers are satisfied, and they should wait for this sample to be approved before multiplying it to all sizes, known as sizes sampling rounds. The client usually needs a couple of weeks to wear test sizes samples. Upon their approval, the manufacturer will make a final pre-production sample for mass production rollout. Sewing lines are now in action. Production will strictly follow pre-production samples, with performance continuously tracked and report to the client. And that's how a high quality, functional biker shorts was made.